Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My students in grade 10, please, this is the third part of the same lesson that we studied last time. Please open your course box, Unit 8, reporting, damage and loss. This is part 3, page 61. For the keywords of the lesson, they are the same keywords that we took in part 1 and part 2. You can refer to them if you need. Please, now these are the objectives of our lesson. Number 1, we need to describe damaged and lost pictures using the past participle. Past participle like do, did, done. Done is the past participle. You are supposed to know the meaning of past participle and how to use it now. Number 2, using there is or there are, you should write new sentences having the same meaning of others. I mean that there are sentences in the book, in exercise number 7. You need to rewrite them, to paraphrase them in the same way, to have the same meaning, but using there is and there are. I will tell you when we reach that exercise how to do that. Okay, now please look here at exercise number 7. As you see, we have 6 pictures here, and here we have 6 verbs. Yeah, we need to use these verbs, but in the past participle, to describe these pictures. Look at this picture, for example, here. The box here has a damage. Look, there's a problem here. Yeah, and the goggles here, there's a problem. There are some scratches. And the street or the road has a problem here. Each one has a problem. Look here, cut, here, yeah, there is a problem here. It's not straight, and here there is a cut. Okay, now look at picture number 1. The side of the box is, it's what? The side is dented. Okay, now look at number 2 here. Look at the goggles. There are some scratches here, right? So I say the lenses of the goggles are scratched. Look at number 3. Look at the road here. Yeah, I say the surface of the road is cracked. Yeah. Now, number 4, look at the cables here. There are some problems here. Okay, I say the insulation of the cable is, it's cut. Yeah, it is cut. Now, the pipe here, the pipe under here, under the tank, is it straight? No, it's not straight. So I say the pipe below the tank is bent. It's bent. It's not straight. And the last thing, look at the overalls here. We can say overall, we can say coverall. It's the same one that you wear when you come to school. Okay, the overalls are torn. Look here, there is a problem here. Okay. Yes, now, please, here, these sentences, we need to rewrite them in exercise number 8. Please look at your box. Look at your box, exercise number 8. You need to rewrite these sentences, but giving the same meaning. Yeah. Now, we need to use there is or there are. There is or there are. Example, here, we say the side of the box is dented. Now, how can we rewrite this sentence using there is or there are? Yeah, this word or this past participle verb, dented, we can use it as a noun. I can say there is a dent in the side of the box. There is a dent. Look here at the goggles. I can say there are scratches. There are scratches on the lenses of the goggles, right? So we can use there is or there are, but you know, after there is or there are, we should use a noun, not an adjective. I say there is a dent. I say there are scratches. I can't say there is dented or there are scratches. No, I can't say that. I say there is a dent. There are scratches. Okay? Please think of these sentences. Think of these sentences and try to rewrite them using there is or there are. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Now, this is exercise number 8. Yes. Okay. Now, here are the sentences. And as I said before, please give yourself a chance, enough time to answer each exercise by yourself. By yourself, please. Don't see the answers here before giving yourself a chance to answer. You should practice by yourself. So, yeah, you can please keep your book open. Yeah, look at number 1. I say there is a dent in the side of the box. Number 2, we can say there are scratches on the lenses of the goggles. We changed the word scratched into noun, scratches. Now, before we said that the surface of the road is cracked, right? Now we can change cracked into a noun. I say there are cracks. Cracks here is a noun. There are cracks in the surface of the road. Before we said the insulation is cut. I can use the noun of cut, which is the same. There's a cut on the insulation of the cable. Before we said the pipe is bent. Is bent. Now we can use the noun. We say there is a bend on the pipe below the tank. Yes. And number 6, there is a tear in the overalls. In this sentence, we use the noun tear instead of torn, which we used in the previous exercise. Yes, finally, please, I want you to write the sentences in your notebooks so that you can practice writing and spelling of the words. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.